Got another mystery gun. I wonder what it could be. Let's take a look, shall we? Do this. And this. Turn it around. Here we go. Wow. That's such a big gun right there. Tiny little 6-round mag. Maybe 6+1. There we go. Focus a little bit. Glock. This is actually the Glock 42. I'm gonna take a look at that. This is my other baby right here. Okay. Clip. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. Always check. Rack it a few times. This one I got the mag extender. Took me a while because it's a brand new Glock, but you could see how it's different from this one. This damn glare. But yep, I'm gonna get another one for this one because it kind of fits pretty small in my hand, even though I have small hands. Fits like about like right there, maybe right there. But with this one, got a little bit more grip right there, so I could grip it better, you know. There we go. Let's lock it back. For some reason, I don't know if this is all Glock 42s, but the slide doesn't go forward, so it has the Glock sights. I'm gonna customize this one a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna get a Glock 19, Glock 17, but this one for sure I'll customize a little bit, and then the Glock 19 is gonna be my project gun along with the AR-15 type gun that I'm gonna get, something like that, commando type, whatever. So yeah, there's that one. Trigger pull's pretty nice on this too. Can see safety. Let's see. It's kind of jumpy, but other than that, it's a good gun. I actually haven't shot this one either. Hopefully I could go shoot this one soon. And yeah, that's my Glock 42. Stand by for future accessories I'm gonna put on this. Stay tuned.